Your partner is always broke January to December. He says he doesn't have money. Now it's December. People, they have got bonuses, but he says he doesn't have money. Even at his payday, that person is going to work every day, but he can tell you that he doesn't have money. Men, they are always broke to people they don't love. He is broke to you, but to other women, he is not broke. He can spoil the woman who is in his heart, but for you, he is broke, and he knows that you are understand. Sometimes we have to know that person is not in love with you. That's why he says he is broke. You know that a man, even he is broke, but he knows that he loves you. He can do something for you, even something small for you. It's not about you to do something to love a person is to do something big or what, something small to appreciate, but he doesn't want. It's not about he is broke or what, because he tells you that he is broke. Look at his clothes he is wearing. He wear expensive clothes. Look at his shoes. He wear expensive shoes. He is smelling good, but he can say to you he is broke. Why? He is broke. He is not broke. He doesn't want, and he is broke to you, not to other women. He is broke to you, but to other women, he can spoil. You can do something to other women. So you have to know that you are not in a relationship with that person.